In this video, we'll discuss about area under the curve. And as you can see that one shape in which we can say that the area bounded by the curve, the curve is y is equal to x square, and the x-axis, the lines are x equal to, which are vertically lines, and x last point is x is equal to 5. So between x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5, these are the lower and upper limits basically. So how to find the bounded area between these lines? By using integration concepts. And one more thing, basically the area A of region can be approximated by a series of rectangular strips of thickness, and for that we will use small value, which we can say that delta x, and the height y corresponding to the height of function. So for approximation, we can use summation y delta x, and that basically delta x approaches to 0. And the formula which you can make for this curve, which is y is equal to x square, the minimum value of this x is 2 and maximum 5, y dx, and that y basically x square. Okay, the formula which we will apply, it is y is equal to f of x, another function, with y greater than or equal to 0. Then the area A bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, the x-axis and the lines. X is equal to A in generally, and x is equal to B, the final limit. And the formula, as you can see, that A means area of the lower limit A, upper B, y dx, and y is basically a function which is f of x. We will see in the question. Yes, we will see how to solve this question, which is area bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube minus 8x squared plus 16x, and the lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 4. So we can say that A equal 0 to 4 y dx, and in this case A equal 0 to 4 y, which basically function or the curve, which is x cube minus 8x squared plus 16x dx. So we will apply the integration. The integration is x 4. We will add 1 in the power and divide by the same, like basic rule I'm applying if we have integration x power n dx. So basically this x power n dx is equal n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus constant of integration. But constant of integration comes when we have indefinite integral. Okay, indefinite integral. In case of definite integral, when you have a to b f of x dx, so this is basically definite integral. Okay, and in definite integral we need to know the exact value, so no need to use constant. Here x power 4 minus 8x cube over 3 plus 16x square, and lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 4. We can still simplify more further, like x power 4 over 4 minus 8x cube over 3. This we can cancel, 2 8s are, so plus 8x square, lower limit 0 and upper limit 4. Now we will apply upper minus lower. Fine. So the next step is a is equal, the upper limit is 4, so 4 whole power 4 over 4 minus 8, x is 4 power 3 over 3 plus 8 x squared, so 4 power 2 minus all will be 0, because once you apply the lower limit, these all values will be 0. Divided by 4. 4 power cube is 64. 64 multiplied by 8. 512 over 3. And 4 square means 16. 16 multiplied by 8. 128. So this all answer will give us 256 divided by 4 is equal 64. And 512 divided by 3 gives us 170. 170.7 plus 128, 3, or you can say that 21 unit square. I hope so it is clear. Yes, viewers, now we'll try one more question related to area under the curve. So see how to simplify this question by using the concept of integration. So here, remember that the area bounded by this curve is from 1 to 3. So we can say that A is equal 1 to 3 y dx, and the y function is equal the curve 2x plus 3 over x squared minus 1 dx. We can do one more step. 1 to 3 2x plus 3x power minus 2 minus 1 dx, and next we can apply the integration, and the integration is what? 2x square over 2 plus 3x power minus 2 plus 1 gives us minus 1 over minus 1, and then minus x integration is x. Lower limit is 1 and upper is 3. So further simplification of this question is we can cancel 2 and 2, and then rest we have x squared minus 1 or 3 over x minus x, lower limit 1 and upper 3. So 3 square gives us 9. We can cancel 3 and 3, so minus 1 minus 3, bracket open, 1 minus 3 minus 1, cancel plus 1 and minus 1. So here 9 minus 4 5, and minus minus plus 3, which is equal, a is equal to 8 unit square. Yes, viewers, we try one more question related to area under the curve, and remember here you can see that the area bounded the curve below the x-axis. In this case, at the end you will find out the answer in negative, but remember that area under the curve is always positive, so we will consider as positive answer. But the way to solve this question is exactly same as we have done the previous question. So see how to write first. A is equal 0 to 5 and y dx. In this case we have a 0 to 5 and y basically function equal x bracket open x minus 5, and which is dx. So try to simplify first and then apply the integration. So multiply x square inside, so 5x dx. After this we can say that a is equal to x power 3 over, add in the power, and same thing we will divide while applying integration concept, minus 5x squared over 2, lower limit is 0 and upper is 5. After this we can replace because we cannot simplify further. So 5 whole cube over 3 minus 5 squared over 2 minus lower limit is 0 over 3 minus 0 over 2. So a equal 5 cube means 125 over 3. This one 5 5s are 25 multiplied by 5, 125 again over 2. So as you can see that here we have the denominator is not same, so multiply denominator with the same, like multiply by here 2 multiply by 2, and here we can multiply by 3, so that our denominator would be same. Next step we can say that it is 6 250 minus 125 multiplied by 3, 375. 250 minus 375 minus 125 over 6, but we will, as it is area, so we will consider 125 over 6 unit. So both answers are acceptable. I hope so it is clear. Thank you for watching my video.